Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. With the Rainfall, Rainfall Band, we hope to give a tribute to some of the American jazz composers and some of our favorite jazz compositions. Tonight we would like to do a tribute to the music of Brazil, along with the jazz influence. And our first number will be called Brazil.
Entertained in June, we stood beneath an amber moon and softly murmured someday soon. We kissed and clung together then. Tomorrow was another day. The morning found me miles away with still a million things to say. Oh, and now when twilight dimmed the skies above, recalling thrills of a love, there's one thing I'm certain of: return I will to old Brazil. Brazil, the Brazil that I knew, where I wandered with you, lives in my imagination, where the songs are passionate and a kiss has art in it, and a song has art in it. Oh, you put your heart in it, and so I dream of old Brazil. dim the skies above, recalling thrills of a love. There's one thing I'm certain of, return I will. This afternoon, music, spring weather, and hopefully we'll bring another real rainfall. We'd like for you to take a ride with us. Look into your mind, into your heart, and your soul, and you'll find that we're all here together, and that's where we're trying to go. That's where we will go, right? Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in a world of my creation. What we'll find, what we'll see, is truly imagination. And if you want to view paradise, you simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Wanna change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know when you're in a world of pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly want to be. Simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Come on. You want to change the world. There's nothing to it. Now, there is no life I know living in a world of pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly want to be. Thank you. Thank you. We have a special little treat we'd like to present to you. Just about everybody in our band here is multi-talented. First of all, I want to introduce the band. On to my right, on tenor saxophone, Brian Tuley from SoCal, but he's up here now. We got him. And Lester Carnegie on trumpet. Yes. And Bert Keely on guitar. And Carl Herder on bass. Sometimes I get these guys mixed up. No, but we want to give a lot of thanks to the one who helped put this stream together for us, and that is our main man, Mr. D, Drue Wilson, the man. Well, okay, we're going to do a song that's, who else we got? He needs no introduction. He's been kicking it all evening. Forrest Jensen on piano, ladies and gentlemen. This is SF Rainfall Band. And yours truly, Double E. The name of this tune is called Sunday Morning. I'm going to throw a little harmony in there with him, okay? Hey!
Sunday morning rain is falling. We'll steal some cover, share some skin. Well, clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable, yet twist to fit the mold that I am in. Things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. I would gladly hit the road, come on and gone, if I knew that someday it would lead me back home to you. That someday it would lead me back home to you. You may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. And come on, rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave. Well, fingers trace your every outline. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Paint a picture with my hands. Well, back and forth we swing like branches in a storm. Change the weather, still together when it ends. You may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. Come on, rest your bone with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to go. Just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. would gladly hit the road, come on and go on if I knew that someday it would lead me back home to you. That someday it would lead me back home to you. Here we go. She is all I see. And come on, rest your bones with me. I'm driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never, here we go.
Sunday morning turns into Sunday evening with the Rainfall Band. Thank you very much for hanging with us. We got... I'd like to give tribute to one of our other American composers, and that would be B.B. King. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's the father of the blues. Some fun. You only live once, and when you're dead, you're done. And let the good times roll. You let the good times roll. I don't care if you're young or old. The good times roll. Now, don't just sit there talking trash. You want to have a ball, you got to spend some cash. Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. I don't care if you're young or old. Just get together and let the good times roll. Hey. Don't just sit there talking trash. You want to have a ball, you got to raise your glass and let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. I don't care if you're young or old. Get together and let the good times roll. Come on. Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. You better let the good times roll. I don't care if you're young or old. Just get together and let the good times roll. Look here. My name is Ernest. We're back in town. Got $1.25 in my pocket. I'm just random frown. And I don't let nobody play me cheap. Got the Rainfall Band. We're gonna raise some heat and let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. I don't care if you're young or old. Let's get together and let the good times roll. When the police come, tell them the joint is closed and let the good times roll. I said let the good times roll. I don't care if you're young or old. Let's get together and let the good times roll. Don't just sit there talking trash. You want to have a ball, you got to raise your glass and let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. I don't care if you're young or old. Let's get together and let the good times roll. Come on, everybody, let's do it together. Hey, let it roll, let it roll. 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 I don't care if you're young or old. Let's get together and let the good times roll. Yeah. Thank you. We're going to take a little quick few-minute break, and we'll be right back with a few more tunes for you. And keep it right where you're at. Don't make a move. The rainfall is coming back. just another day at the studio. One of my favorite jazz composers, pianists, would be Horace Silver. Hey! This is someone I know everybody that's listening, something that we all have. We had a mother, and we had a father. And I want to sing about mine. In the meantime, you can think about yours, your father. Hey! If there was ever a man who was generous, gracious, and good, you know that was my dad. He was the man. A human being so true he could live like a king, 'cause he knew the real treasures, oh, in life, to be devoted to and always stand by me, so I'd be unafraid, oh, and free. If there was ever a man who was generous, gracious, and good, yeah, that was my dad. He was the man. A human being so true he could live like a king, 'cause he knew, hey, the real treasures, oh, in life, to be devoted to and always stand by me, so I'd be unafraid, oh Lord, and free. microphone, ladies and gentlemen. If there was ever a man who was generous, gracious, and good, that was my dad. He was the man. A human being so true he could live like a king, 'cause he knew the real pleasures, the treasures in life, to be devoted to and always stand by me, so I'd be unafraid, oh, and free, hey, so free. That was my dad. He was my father. Oh, no. He was the man. He was the man. That was my dad. That was my dad. He was the man. Thanks, Dad. And to all the dads out there of today, keep love in your heart. You want to do, we want to go out on the Stevie Wonder song? The writing on the wall, very superstitious, that is about to fall. 13-month-old baby broke the looking glass. 7 years of bad love, said the good things in your past. Hey, well, you believe in things you don't understand, then you suffer. Superstition ain't the way. Nah, 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 nah. Very superstitious to wash your face and hands. You don't want to rid me of the problem. That is my song. 13-month-old baby, he broke the looking glass. Hey. Such good things in your past. Well, and you believe in things you don't understand. It ain't the way. Superstition ain't the way.
wash your dirty face and your hands. You don't want to rid me of the problem. Do all that you can. You keep me in a daydream. Just keep me going strong. You don't want to save me, no, no. Hey, oh, sad is my song. Hey, when you believe in things you don't understand, then you suffer. Woo! Superstition ain't the way. No, no. Superstition, superstition, it ain't the way. Better believe in the good thing. Superstition ain't the way. No, 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 no. Shabba-dubba-dee-dee-dee-dee. Scoop-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Hey, a bebop, a doo-wop, a doo-wop. Hip-hop, a bebop, doo-wop, a doo-wop. Hey, superstition. Superstition ain't the way. Very superstitious. Superstition ain't the way. Thank you so very much for sharing this afternoon with us. That is San Francisco Rainfall Band. And yours truly, Ernest East, Brian Tuley on saxophone, Lester Carnegie on trumpet, Forrest Jensen on piano, Carl Herder on bass, Bert Keely on guitar and other things, and our main man, Mr. Drue Wilson. Play your drum.